Ever savored the delight of a dish that's not only mouth-wateringly delicious, but also easy on the pocket? If not, then let's introduce you to the world of Bulgur kofta, a dish that's certain to tantalize your taste buds without burning a hole in your pocket. To embark on this culinary journey, gather the following ingredients: a quarter less than a cup of bulgur, half a kilogram of minced meat, 1 grated onion, 1 medium-sized grated tomato, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of paprika, salt and black pepper to taste, and a tablespoon of meat or kofta spices. For shaping the kofta, you'll need a tablespoon of ketchup or a small spoon of tomato sauce and 2 tablespoons of oil. Begin by washing the bulgur thoroughly and draining it. Add the grated onion with its water and the grated tomato to the bulgur and mix well. Introduce the paprika, black pepper and spices to the bulgur, stir, and then leave it for half an hour or more to soak up all the liquids from the tomato and onion. Next, add the bulgur to the minced meat, followed by the baking powder and a teaspoon and a half of salt. Knead the kofta well until you achieve a very soft dough. You can use a food processor or a kneader. The key is to knead it well. Now for the shaping process, mix the oil with the ketchup. Wet your fingers and start shaping the kofta on wooden skewers. Place the kofta in an oiled tray and put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes, flipping them halfway through. Serve with a tahini salad and savor the delectable taste of your homemade bulgur kofta. To recap, bulgur kofta is a simple, economical and flavorful dish that requires a handful of ingredients and a bit of your time. It's the perfect example of how minimal ingredients can come together to create a dish that's rich in flavor and texture. So why not give it a try and experience this culinary delight yourself? Trust me, your taste buds will thank you.